This is part 5 where I give Stab 1444 for his voice modifier. Well, here's his voice modifier. Boom. Now he just has to eat that and he'll be able to talk. What happened? He can't talk. Eat it again. Eat it again. Eat it again. Eat it.
Hi guys.
Oh, you can talk.
Hey. Hi guys, can you hear me? Can anyone hear me? Can anyone hear me?
Yeah, I could hear you.
Oh my god, you guys are so ridiculous. Roller coaster. Me sorry if you loud.
Really, Stefan?
What'd I do?
You start talking.
Come on.
Why can't I just talk?